Well guys, after a whole bunch of trying, as you can see, I'm in a position where I had to remove this, and I was thinking that if I just remove it and leave it loose here, that will give me enough space to get closer. Which you can see, I'm close but not close enough, at least 4 inches away from where I need to go. And I don't know, hate to say it, might have to remove that cross member to get me closer. It's one way. Another thing will be like there's this right here, and try to remove that and then have a chain in front of it go and slide over here and then help it to get closer. That will be another, but I'm not sure what this is. There's some kind of a airline going there. Gotta remove that, and then I can probably slide a chain through here, and that will probably help me. And hopefully that this is gonna be okay being here, or maybe hiding under without removing all of that. Telling you, this is not as easy as I thought it would be, putting it back. Alright guys, I'm gonna be straight up. This is not a job for just anybody. Probably wasn't even a job for me. It is very difficult. Let's see if we can see. This is, we're looking at the gear. That's big star gear. Still gotta make it. I got it to connect inside with the rear differential. I'm about I'm about 2.5 to 3 inches away. So I'm just doing a last check on this thing, make sure there's nothing, you know, that I probably missed when I tried to put this together. And so far it's good. You can see here, it's about bought these long bolts, like $10 each, 10 something with tax. And I put it here and here. I have another one like right there, and I have 2 more on the other side. But I still got to put the gasket on, you know, and you can see there's no gasket at all, like no sealant. This was a very, very hard, difficult. Now, this is what I got. So I went to the truck parts supply or whatever, and I told the guy what I needed, and he gives me this one. I didn't look at it. I told him I want something that's gonna last a little, gives me some installation time. Oh, he said, don't worry, I got plenty of time. Got home and look what it says on it. 1 minute. It's like 1 minute. You can't move this thing in 1 minute even if you want to. So that didn't work. So I went and I bought this one. This one does give me some extra time here. It's a gasket maker. You know, maximum torque. You know, gives me, I can hand tight it, at least that's what I said, I can hand tight it for like up to an hour, so leave it, you know, so hand tight for an hour, let it sit, and then tie it down to torque specification and let it cure for 24 hours. So paid for this one $21 or something like that. So the other one was again 20 something, I think, or 20, it was even more, I forgot, but it was over $20. I forgot, I gotta look at the, well, I'm gonna take this one back. I don't need this, it's crap. Anyway, well, that's where I'm at. All right, so here we got our gasket.
Probably not the best job, but it's there, fat and thick, and I need to just put it back together. There you go. Anyway, I'm using this socket in here as a spacer so that way I can pull in the upper part because it wants to sag because of the weight. You can see I'm using all these washers here with a longer bolt that can squeeze it back in. So that's where I'm at right now. But I think this was a good idea here, just, you know, because it was sagging, it was tight here and open here on top, you know, so there you go. Yep, it's moving the back part of it. Can you see it's getting closer? Let's see. Oh yeah, finally getting contact. Oh yeah, let me get it on the other side a little bit. Oh, it's kind of whooshing. See it? Squeezing it out. Not too much. All right, guys. I've been asking and asking, what is the difference between the DS405 and DS404? Well, I'll show you what the difference is. See this right here? Right here. Kind of a stupid way of finding out, but look at this. I got this bolt and this bolt. The studs were in there, and before, all I had to do is just get the, you know, all I did is just, you get the nuts off and you're good. Well, these studs, they didn't clear. Look at these two bumps right here. They don't really, you know, you can't tighten it up, and they're in there. I already got it all, the glue's there, everything is there, I'm not taking it out. So now I have to go through a, who knows, some kind of a plan B and getting that fixed. So those two, and this other one right here, that, it's another bump right there. And I put a longer bolt there, and I did some washers just for now. Oh, I am mad. I'm really not happy with that because this is just gonna make me work more. I'm thinking, so I still have to wait an hour to torque them. But the only way that I can see is probably trying to drill inside in both of these guys and then get one of those reverse thread and see if I can pull them out. But I had all my chances. I could have got them out a long time ago. I didn't get them out because, you know, I mean, I used them as a guide, use it as a, you know, that's annoying. Very, very pissed about that. And I keep asking. I ask, what is the difference? Well, now you know. I'm sure.